People ask me all the time, Watts, how do you cut your hair, man? Why do you cut your own hair? Well, for one, haircuts is probably like 40, 50, $100,000 right now. So I'm not trying to pay nobody to cut my hair. And man, I've just always been a self-sufficient person. Like I've always done this for myself. I always done that. I always fixed on my own car. Whatever the case is. Don't know why. I think it's just because my dad was always into nigger rigging stuff and fixing stuff at the house and stuff like that. So I basically just picked up off of what what was around me. I'm a product of my environment, so to say. So, yeah, man, this is a video of me cutting my own hair and stuff like that over the road. I'm a truck driver now. And, I do a very good job of keeping myself up out here. So, I got a message right after this. So, y'all listen up and y'all just, pay attention to the video if you actually wonder how I'm actually able to cut my own hair and stuff like that. The message I'm gonna give in this video is basically learning how to not give a fuck. To not give a fuck about adversity, you gotta first give a fuck about something that's way bigger, way more important than some adversity, man. I'm gonna give you an example of what I mean by that. Like take a dude that played GTA all day. If you go into his room and you turn his game off, you know what's coming after that. He give a fuck about his game. He don't care about nothing else. You can come in there, you can steal his favorite chips, do this, do that. He don't give a fuck because he playing GTA. You know what I'm saying? If you mess with his GTA, you gonna see it. You gonna see something about that. You know what I'm saying? You have to see him. He gives a fuck about something that's way more important than you coming in his room taking some chips. You know what I'm saying? So at the same time, with you in your life, for you not to give a fuck about certain things, you got to give a fuck about something else way more to where you not going to waste giving a fuck on that. If you understand what I'm saying. Like, even with me, for example, I have bigger vision. I have a big vision. I have goals I'm accomplishing and shit like that. So when I get into my comments and I start reading, this shit not bothering me no more. It ain't bothering me no more because I had to realize, look, man, this shit don't, like, it's not helping you when it comes to the vision you have. It's not helping you when it comes to the goals you trying to accomplish and shit like that. Why are you going into your comments and feeling bad or feel like you got to say something to somebody after they done said some negative shit to you? For one, they literally pull YouTube up on their couch, being a couch potato, being a Republican, and commenting on some negative shit on your video, which means you're some type of importance to them. They literally had to comment negative shit. Now, positivity, that's different. But you literally go out your day to comment some negative shit on somebody else's, YouTube, whatever the case is. That shows a lot about who you are as a person. You know what I'm saying? So me, I had to realize that don't give a fuck about that type of stuff. Like, you literally out here trying to grow multiple businesses, you hear me? You literally out here trying to fend for your own family and shit like that. They don't matter. That should be the least of your worry. You know what I'm saying? So man, y'all really have to look at stuff like this. Like an old lady that cut coupons all day, she might go to the store and she might use a 50% coupon. Then she probably want to use a 25%. Well, ma'am, you can't use a 25% coupon because you just used the 50%. But she feeling like she could use both. So what she gonna do? She gonna go off on your ass. Why? Because that's what's important to her. All she do all day, every day is cut coupons out and go spend money on some shit. So she gonna show you how she feel about you not letting her use her coupons. She give a fuck about it. You know what I'm saying? So take this shit, man, and really apply it to your life. Learn that if you have something that's way more important than some other shit, do not waste your time. Do not give a fuck about that small shit. Keep going towards the purpose that you're trying to fulfill in life. They don't want to see me shining and they hate that. They don't want